Heyo, Jordan Murphy is up for today's experiment. He sent me a quite a cool picture. This picture with quite a lot of questions as well. This has been quite a fun challenge considering I've been forced to stay on my back for quite some time. But the questions were: what is this board to me? How many people have written on there? Which bits did I write? Which of these people is most important to me? And Silicone Daisy is a band. Jay Styler, who was signed the board, is a member. What did he do in the band? Yeah. Okay. So, first things first that pop into my head when I looked at this photo was that these kind of mementos are synonymous with times that have passed or moments in our life that come to an end in the way that a lot of people wear blank shirts to the last day of school, college, and get friends and whatnot to write on them and leave messages and such. That was, I don't know if that happens everywhere, but it was a particular um, tradition for around here. But I stepped off that. I stepped off the whole education angle in light of the fact that this is a whiteboard. And you can tell it's of particular size because they only do whiteboards of that size. It'll be quite a big one. They only do whiteboards of this size with the metal rim around the outside, and they usually come with packs of 4 or 5 whiteboard pens, and that's, you can tell, with all the different coloured writing on the board. So I would say that this is an office board, something that he took from the last day of a job he worked, and it gives us a time frame because in big writing right in the middle is George Den 09, so it gives us a time frame of 5 years ago. So this will have been a memento that he took from possibly one of his first jobs that he had. How many people have written on there? So yeah, I'm saying what is this board to me? This is a memento that he took from one of, if not the first job he ever really had, the first real job where you meet a close circle of friends and you have them for many years. You may be even friends with quite a few of them now. How many people have written on there? Now, I struggled with this because when the photo came through, I would have to zoom in to check for all the different styles, and when I zoom, it pixelates. So I did what I could, and I can see at least six different people, including Jordan, have written on there. Which bits did he write? Now this is where I would struggle even more. Purely, and it's not a cop out. I'm working with what I've got purely because that it pixelates on the way in, so it's very tough to differentiate and spot the graphological traits. However, even though I can't really read them, I can look at it as a picture. And I'm looking at the photo right now as we record this, by the way. Which bits did he write? I would say that based on the fact that this is a board that he kept a memento for him, so logically speaking, his writing won't be on there as much, if at all. So I would say then that he wrote the bits in black that are dotted in the bottom middle, bottom left, and the top right. That's what I would say. Now, which of these people is most important to me is again quite a difficult one, purely because of just the zooming issue. If I could get clarity in the zooming, I could get a much more direct read on what's going on. However, there are two possibilities here. One throws up a name, the other does not. I would say that one of the most important people to him on this board is somebody called Sam. Sam would be a girl, though. I would say, based on the A's, the formulation of the A's. Or it would possibly be a as I look down in the other corner, it will possibly be a male, but not of British descent. That's what I would say to that one. So, which of these people is most important to me? It will either be that Sammy or this erroneous male of non-British descent. Where I would say he would be from, well, originally from. Clearly, if he has a job in this country, then he lives in this country. But